Alright guys, so before I start the intro to the video, I actually wanted to mention that when I made a few of my regular videos got uploaded to got made into shorts. Why would something stupid like that happen? Okay, I'll talk about it in like a separate video, but yeah. But anyway, here's my creation of what could have been an Air King 9102 12-inch commercial grade table fan. As you may know, my Lasko Model 2000 has also got converted into a wall fan, which is called the 3012. But really right after, basically Air King was still making these in production, so I thought I'd make one for myself out of a Lasko table fan, and like I said in like one of my other videos, Air King and Lasko, they fit together perfectly. So yeah, so it's got the Air King style accents. The blade, the back grill, the front grill is everything, but yeah. There's the side view. In the back. The back looks almost the same, I guess. Don't worry, guys. When I put it back together, I'll make sure to put it back together after the video. So let's start it up on low. It's pretty quiet, as you can tell. Oh, by the way, the motor housing actually vibrates on high. But this is on low, it doesn't vibrate at all really on low. Sometimes it vibrates on high, I'll show you guys that. Okay, we'll go up to medium now. Oh, so the fan is playing a balance. There we go, let me try and push that back in like that. And we'll go up to high. I believe now that this thing is actually vibrating. Well, yeah, it is vibrating. So don't judge me, judge the fan. The oscillator works well too. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.